Hello viewer, here I have taken a simple layer, unlock the background, find essentials. Here are the layer styles we can add into that simple layer. We can use the eraser tool on that cell tab. So you can see how fascinating it is to use it. I will try to convert that layer into 3D. I will make a two-sided plane 3D image or a layer. So let's wait for it. It may take few seconds. So we are still waiting to generate 3D layer design. That's the layer design we have found. I will try to make it. So there we have. I will show you how the razor tool we used and now how the cut parts are looking there.